Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you a DIY clay cactus napkin holder. If you're new, my name is Jayeeta and friends call me Rima, and I share easy DIY decoration on budget. And if you love this type of content too, make sure you hit the subscribe button and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more upcoming new videos. So let's get started. To make this DIY tissue paper or napkin holder, I'm using Airdry modeling clay, rolling pin, knife, Febricryl colors, some clay tools, paintbrush and powder. First, I'm going to cut out some clay. I have taken this much of clay. Now, warm the clay properly. Now put some powder over here and let's flatten the clay. Now I am taking my cactus cut out and with the help of a knife I am going to cut it. Now with the help of a water and a fingertip, I am smoothing the sides. Now let's keep it aside and let's make the base. Now I am attaching this cactus cutout with the base. Way attach the back support. Now smooth everything. Now take any support and put it over there to make it stick. Now with the help of this tool, I'm just making some mark. Now let everything dry for at least 24 hours. Clay has dried and the shape is looking beautiful. Now let's paint it. I'm going to mix green color and white color to make it a light green color. After making some thorn with the use of black marker, here is the final result. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching my video. See you in the next week. Take care. Bye bye.